Hello friends, tini je job ni notification ka Society for Entrepreneurship Development ni bisingtei Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare job la jaknai finding ke changtaba o job ni post tei qualification tei experience lainai ek number jak tango project manager crop production UR ni bagai ekta tei SC ST ni bai krei e qualification tei experience nornai na musungke porainai di 2 number jak tango project manager marketing post duita UR ni bagai ekta te isini ST ni bagai ekta tango qualification BSc Agri Horti BBA followed by PGD in marketing MBA ABM from a recognized university experience hanjak 3 years experience in handling SARS work te contract period jak tango 50,000 as limit 40 years te 3 number jak tango project manager post harvest UR ni bagai ekta te sini iro ST rong bai krei te 4 number jak tango project manager UR ni bagai ekta te 5 number jak tango je technical assistant post ongka 9ta tango UR ni bai 5ta ST ni bai 3ta te HC ni bai ekta qualification ka BSc Agri Horti from a recognized university with computer skills qualification tona nangnai te experience hanjak je degree diploma in marketing management from a recognized institute with marketing experience contract period jak tongo 20,000 as limit 40 te o job la jaknai contract basic 11 month ni bagai exchange khlai jaknai performance ni bisingtino o job ni bagai application submitted ni last date ka 30 April 2022 jora no saik ni 5 PM jora faring ke chungtabo aro notification kaisa nalainai to friends omongkha agriculture and farmers welfare ni ar kaisa notification ere post jak tango water shed development team member post ongkha 26 ta tango UR ni bagai 14 ta ST ni bagai 8 ta HC ni bagai 4 ta te essential qualification iro sanjak tango BSc Agri Horti Forestry BE BTech Civil Electronics Agri Engineering Computer Science Diploma in Civil Electronics Water Shed Management Master in Rural Management from a recognized university graduate with certificate course in CNC turning and milling from a recognized tool room omahai qualification sanjak teire experience jak tango water shed management ni 5 years tei contract period jak tango tei age limit 40 years 2 number ongkha iro GIS expert tei iro UR ni bagai ekta 3 number jak tango je community development expert UR ni bagai post ekta 4 number jak tango je IT expert iro tango UR ni bagai ekta tei essential qualification no jeng poraina thanglia tani ke chini ST rok ni bagai iro korai to friends omongkha job ni ar kaisa notification Department of Science Technology and Environment ire post jak tango project associate UR ni bagai ekta ire qualification jeng poraina ire qualification jak tango 2 number jak tango field assistant post ongkha 4 ta ST ni bagai ekta HC ni bagai ekta UR ni bagai 2 ta tango tei ire qualification sanjak je bachelor degree in forestry botany agriculture science environmental science tei ire pay scale rijak tango normal nai di to friends norok nugui mankhana je agriculture and science department ni bisingtwi je job ni notification omahai job ni notification naina musungke haste ni job channel no subscribe khai tonwi tei bell icon no click khai tondi tei support khai di tei video no paithasra naina bagui jotno no hambai।